Hello and welcome dear traders and investors. I'm glad to present you the daily market review prepared by analyst and expert from fx.co portal. Here we go. Today is December 20 and we're starting from euro-dollar pair with Dimitris Tapas. Early during the European session, the euro is trading above 21 SMA. And above the 200 EMA, with an upside bias but showing signs of exhaustion. During the American session yesterday, the euro rose above the 21 SMA, reaching 6-8 Muri level at 1.0986. According to the H4 chart, we can see that the euro is trading within a symmetrical triangle pattern. And it's likely to continue trading between 1.0986 and 1.0944. In case the euro breaks and consolidates above 1.0986, it could reach the psychological level of 1.10 and the November 27 high around 1.1016. If the euro exceeds this level, it could reach 7-8 Muri at 1.1108. On the other hand, if the euro falls below the daily pivot point at 1.0956, and consolidates below the 21 SMA at 1.0944. It could fall towards 5-8 Muri level around 1.0864 and could even reach the 200 EMA at 1.0826. The level that coincides with the uptrend channel formed since December 7. The Eagle indicator is reaching overbought levels. So as long as the euro trades below this psychological level of 1.10, we could expect a technical correction. Additionally, if the euro breaks below 1.0944, it could be the start of a decline with a target at 1.0742. For 8 Muri level. The market sentiment report shows that there are 58.46% of traders who are selling the euro-dollar pair. According to our contrarian strategy, we expect the euro to continue to rise, and it could reach 1.1016 as the first target and 1.1116 as the second target. For this scenario, we should expect a daily close about 1.1020. The next stage of our review is the next major. It's time for GBPUSD, presented by Jakub Nowak. For long positions, buy pound when the quote hits 1.2727. And take profit at the price of 1.2755. Growth will occur after a confident increase in the UK Consumer Price Index. When buying, ensure that the MACD line lies above zero, or just starts to rise from it. Pound could also be bought after 2 consecutive price tests of 1.2712. But the MACD line should be in the oversold area this time, as only by that will the market reverse to 1.2727 and 1.2755. For short positions, sell pound when the quote reached 1.2712 and take profit at the price of 1.2687. Pressure will return in case of very weak price increases at the end of the year. When selling, ensure that the MACD line lies below zero, or drops down from it. Pound could also be sold after 2 consecutive price tests of 1.2727, but the MACD line should be in the overbought area this time, as only by that will the market reverse to 1.2712 and 1.2687. Gold, sweet gold. We've got a trading plan for this commodity asset presented by Petar Yukimovic. Gold has been trading upside, and the key resistance at the price of 2047 is on the test. In case of the rejection of resistance level 2047, there's the chance for the downside movement towards the lower level of consolidation 2015. In case of the upside breakout of the resistance at 2047 and hold above, there's a chance for the upside movement towards 2070. RSI oscillator is showing upside reading above 60 level, which is a good sign that buyers are in control. And now it's time for AUDUSD currency pair. Here is Laurie Bailey. Yesterday, the Australian dollar became the market leader for counter-dollar growth, 0.65%, hitting the target level of 0.6775. The price may experience a slight correction from this level, but then we expect further growth and a test of the upper band of the ascending channel. In this case, the pair will slightly exceed the target level of 0.6815. The main risk, even for a local increase, is the emergent divergence between the price movement and the Marlin oscillator. Therefore, in order to expect a move towards 0.6815, it's advisable to wait for a breakthrough of 0.6775. If the price consolidates above 68.15, breaking through the upper band of the price channel, it's opened up the target level of 0.6897, the peak of July 13. On the 4-hour time frame, a divergence is also beginning to form. However, the uptrend remains intact, so there is a high probability of extending this movement. We are waiting for the price to consolidate above 0.6775 as per the main scenario plan. That's all for today. See you online soon and good luck.